Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Milani here. Please don't mind her hair, okay? We're getting ready for church and she wouldn't let me do this by myself. She was not having it. She was like, Mom, it's time for you to pay attention to me. So we're here, but I told y'all I tried to film this look the other day. It just wouldn't work out for me. Like, I filmed it, everything was great, and then every shot that I took except for the slow-mos, excuse me, Mommy's talking, thank you. Every shot that I took except for the slow-mos was blurry. When I say blurry, like, it wasn't this type of blurry that you could see and then kind of ignore. Like, it needed to be fixed. It needed to be fixed. So I came today and I refilmed this entire face. Do you see this? And I used a new product. I think it was just 2 new products. Anyways, keep watching this video to find out exactly how I created this look. And, you know, come back the next time I create a look, and the time after that, and the time after that, and for the mommy videos, and for everything, okay? So you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. Say bye, guys. You're not gonna say bye. You're not gonna say bye. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. Y'all know I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna jump in with my Justine Cosmetics brow pomade as usual. Y'all know I love this stuff. You should love this stuff. If you have not already, go shop. How many times do I have to tell y'all? For real, go shop. I have changed my brow routine though, so if you guys want an updated version of my brow routine, just let me know. I do get a few questions on a regular about how I do my brows, but if you would like to see in detail how I create the brows that I've been wearing most of the time, or a couple different variations of the brows that I like to wear, just let me know and I'll do that for y'all. Although my face is already moisturized, I definitely went in with a primer, and it's a Maybelline primer, and I just wanted to prep my skin a little bit more for what I was going to be doing. I like more of a dewy face than a matte face because, like I said in my other videos, I do have dry skin. So it's just better for me if I do have a dewy look and moisturized skin up underneath my makeup. Wow, laughing like an idiot. But I did put my concealer down first. This routine is a little bit similar to the video that I most recently posted with the photos at the end of the look that I created, but it's just a little bit different. This is something that I was trying to create to fix a mistake that I made in the video that I initially made. And I think actually this way that I did it was better than the first way that I did it when I filmed. So it ended up working out. I'm just applying some foundation with my fingers so it'll be nice and warm and I can put it exactly where I want on my face, since I already did put some concealer down and I didn't want to put down a layer of foundation and then another layer of concealer and another layer of concealer. So I just put some foundation down, I'll blend that out, and then I'll take the same area with my Real Techniques sponge and I'll just blend out the concealer and make it look as flawless as possible. There was a little extra concealer on my brush and a little bit of foundation left on my forehead, so I just cleaned up the top of my brows with that so that everything could match and I wouldn't have like different colors from concealer and foundation by putting that on my face with the brush. And I'm taking a small brush and just outlining where I want my contour to go so it can be very precise and clean. I'm taking some concealer. It is a very full coverage and thick concealer, and I put that directly underneath my eyes and I blended it out first a little bit with my finger because it is very, very, very thick. So I just feel like blending it out with my finger first just helped me a lot with this blending process, not lifting up too much product, warming it up, and I really ended up liking the end result. So if you end up getting this concealer, then I advise you to do the same thing if you're going to end up using it. But I'll have all the products listed in the description box below because I'm not going to keep saying the names of them in this video. Okay? Thanks. I desperately need to find my brush that I blend out my contour with. This brush is an e.l.f. brush and it's not bad, but I just haven't been blending out my contour with this brush in such a long time. I got so used to my other one and I just loved it so much. It was like the perfect shape, the perfect size for my contour. I gotta find it, but as you can see, I'm just blending out my contour, and I'm taking, like, it was the side of the brush at first and now the very end of the brush so that I could blend out my nose contour. I'm taking the MacBook palette and I'm just going to add some colors in the crease of my eye, and I want it to be very close to the colors of my contour. So when I add the powder for my contour to set it on my cheeks and on my forehead, it'll be some of the colors that I actually put on my eyes so that it can all look similar. It can all be on the same spectrum. You know, I don't want my contour super dark and then the shadow on my eyes to be super dark, because it's very, very neutral and it's very like soft glam a little bit, but more like a classic glam, just a little bit deeper, like a classic soft glam. I don't even know how to describe it, but I know the look that I was going for. I wanted it to be very, very pretty, but at the same time I wanted it to be like very full coverage, like I could wear this to an event if I wanted to, but it wouldn't be too much at the same time. just taking some concealer and putting a dot of that on my lids, and I'm going to blend that out with a brush so that I can have a very subtle highlight on my eye. And I want it to look like skin going into a shadow. That's what I want it to look like, but glammed up, you know what I mean? So just like a little bit exaggerated for the shadow, but still very blended, very soft, just pretty. I just wanted it to look very pretty, and I feel like I accomplished that look. I just set my eyes by pressing some powder into my skin with a brush, not really baking, just setting it so that it would not move and it wouldn't look crazy. It wouldn't look too bright. But as far as like dewy, it wouldn't look too dewy because it's set. And I used 2 different setting powders for this. I believe this is Chalk Dust, and I'll be using ColourPop as well. And I'm just going back into the matte book like I said I would, and getting those contour colors so that I can add some more dimension to my face and stop myself from looking so flat, warm up my face a little bit, and just make everything look good. Like, do you see that? Do you see that contour? It just looks so good. I'm taking those same colors on a smaller brush to contour my nose and snatch that up. You feel me? Okay. Fun fact, I used to be able to put my lashes on without tweezers, but now I just feel like, not that I can't, but I don't want to. I can get really precise with my tweezers. And with my fingers, unless I have nails on, I just don't feel like I can get that precise. Am I the only one? Y'all let me know. I was so excited to use my B. Simone Beauty lip gloss. I got it in the shade You're My Boyfriend. I ordered this lip gloss and her book, and I was so excited to get it. Of course, y'all know I'm going to pair it with my Justine Cosmetics lip pencil. Y'all go shop, man. Go shop. Go get the woman's stuff. You know I used her highlighter. You know I used her brow pomade. You know I used her lip pencil. Like, come on. I feel like the next video I got to do is her stuff because... bro, I just gotta show y'all. I gotta show y'all. It's okay. But look at that combo. Oh, yes. That combo is amazing. And I just take some clear lip gloss after I have it all blended out and how I want it. I take some clear lip gloss by Jelly, I believe. And I just put that right on top so it can be nice and glossy. I love it. So thanks again for you guys watching my video, joining me here. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video everywhere. If you enjoy it, let the people know. See y'all.